In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are always found dealing, interacting with the people. Always dealing, interacting with the people. At some of the in some of the situations, we think that all what happened was normal and okay. At certain other situations, we feel that I was not treated properly and fairly. At still at certain other places, we think that I was dealt quite unfairly. I was looted, cheated, I was made to bleed. And still, at certain other places, other people feel that we did not treat them fairly, squarely, honestly, decently, sensibly. Rather, there was a sort of ill will in us. What happens now? Whatever wrong was done against someone else or against us, it is not different than a wound. It is not different than a theft or a dacoity. If at all we are wounded, or to a lesser degree we got the bruises, we were bruised, we wounded, we were cheated and looted. It is not any way lesser than a wound. Some of the wounds are just the bruises. Another some of these are the wounds. Still, there are certain slightly deeper wounds and injuries. Now, obviously, there is a lot of pain, there is a pain attached to it. Nobody like to be in pain and in trouble. Now we have got a wound or somebody is wounded. There is a medicine, there is a healing substance as well, there is a bandage as well, which can be applied, which can be benefited from. But even these medicines, even these healing substances or the bandages does not heal the wounds instantly, but somehow these are soothing. What are these, by the way? This is the positive thinking. Positive thinking works like the bandages, like the medicines, like the remedies, like the healing substance to be sprinkled upon the wounds, to be applied upon the wounds. This positive thinking definitely it has a great utility. Its importance cannot be denied. But still, the wounds are the wounds. And this positivity, because being positive always need struggle, effort, hard work. So it does not, we can become partially positive. 10% of the positivity, 20% of the positivity, 25% of the positivity. So the once we apply this positivity upon our wounds, it does benefit, but still it it is not so potent and powerful because because it is barely 10, 15, 20, 25%. So it does not heal that emotional psychological wound. It only it soothes, it benefits us. It is we feel slightly lesser pain with the arrival, with the application of this medicine which is called the positive thinking. Now there is another aspect of it. There is another aspect of it, that is the purpose and the reason behind this talk. What is that? What is that? That is, we have to die one day. We have to die one day and we will be presented in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and there will be a day of judgment as well. Day of judgment as well. We should pray, especially after bearing the wound. We should keep praying that, to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on the day of judgment, I should not be one who have to pay all its good deeds as a compensation to the people who against whom we committed certain wrong things. The people who were not treated fairly and honestly by us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I don't want a situation like this one, a situation where I have to pay all what I am possessing, all the good deeds which I am carrying to the people, and the people to whom I do have to compensate. And oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, just the very opposite of it, I want that people people do have to pay me much more than what I have to pay to the people. This actually means that I shouldn't be committing any sort of excesses against anyone else. I should not be abusing, I should not be looting and cheating against anyone else. Rather, the people who have done something wrong with us, with me, and the people who have inflicted pain upon me, the people who have wounded me, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on the day of judgment, I shall be seeking the compensation from these people, and I shall be seeking the fine of these people. I should be taking the good deeds of those people, and if at all they are not having any more, then O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I want my bad deeds, I want my sins to be transferred to those people, so that I should become light enough, so that I should feel I should be in the great profit. It is a kind of trading between us and the different people. And if at all during this trading, whoever is doing the negative thing, who during this treating, if at all somebody is treating the other people in a dishonest manner, in a hurtful manner, this person will be repenting and regretting a lot on the day of judgment. But the time will be over, and this will be the time when the compensation has to be paid to the people against whom the excesses were committed, the abuses were done and committed, and the people who were looted and cheated, and the people who were made hurt and bleed. O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I don't want to become one of those people who will be in the great loss on that day, on the day of judgment. Rather, I want to be amongst the people. I want to be amongst the people who will be getting and even more getting the compensation from the other people, the compensation in form of the good deeds. And if at all their good deeds have been distributed, have been handed over to other people against whom she committed excesses, now my bad deeds should be transferred to those people, so that I could get a better and even better scoring. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I don't want to be, I do want to be, I do want to be a winner on the day of judgment, and I don't want to be a loser on the day of judgment as well. Thank you.